Okay, now we're going to cover retargeting. And retargeting is when someone has visited your website and you want to target the same people that visited your website later with Facebook ads. So to do this, you'll come to audiences again, and then in audience, you will create an audience and you're going to do website traffic. Now here you have the options: anyone who visits your website, people who visit specific web pages, people visiting specific web pages but not others, and people who haven't visited in a certain amount of time. So if there is someone who visited your page and you select this one, then that means everyone that visited your page, you're going to be able to retarget them with ads. Next one, people who visit specific web pages. This one is for if you want to make sure that it's only on specific pages that you have the pixel. For example, your conversion page. Like if you have a pixel that's only buyers that will have gone to that page, then you can use that. So you can create a specific buyer's audience. And you can set this up to 180 days. And you can either include past web traffic or starting from the current date. And you give your audience a name. Actually, let's just fill that out. So people who visited specific web pages, and then here URL equals, and let's just make it 4. All right, and you can see there that you can add more than one page on your website, but you'll have to have pixels on all the pages that you want to create audiences for. So for this one, we'll just do test, delete it, so I know to delete it later. Okay, now you click create audience. And then it says, thank you for creating a custom audience. Your audience is ready. But you see here it's too small. That's because you haven't added the pixel to the page yet. So now you select the audience, and to get the pixel for the audience, you click actions and then view pixel. Now you do that, and you're going to get your pixel code here, and then you can copy that and paste it to the different pages of your website that you want to create audiences from the website visitors. Okay, so after you have some traffic to your page, I'll show you down here. This is one I added to one of my websites the other day. And so since yesterday, I've had 100 hits on this one. And if I want to use this one in an ad, then in the ads manager, when you create an ad, you have the option for using a pixel. So say I want to promote my page to people that have visited my website. This one, see it says audience, and then here is my Kite website retargeting. So there's only 100 people in that one, so the CPC, or the cost per click, will be very high, and on a budget of $10 a day, it's going to reach fewer than 100, and probably reach very few people with that one because it's a very small audience. So you want to have at least a couple hundred people in your audience in order to run ads. So when you select your pixel here, then it's going to make sure that only ads are served to the people that were on your website. And you can do it again with any type of ad. I just did this with page likes, but you can use pixels with any of these type of ads and then retarget people. Okay, so that is how to retarget. And again, after you have created your audience, you're going to put your pixel code onto your website page, and you get your pixel code here, and you're just going to copy and paste this onto your website somewhere between the head and your website code. If you don't know how to do that, it's also easy to do it in WordPress, and if you need WordPress training, I provide that on my website, digitalsolutions.website. All right, so if you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comments, and I'll see you soon.